Good day guys and welcome. In this video we're talking about where to find WhatsApp web on Android. So guys, if for some reason you're unable or don't want to use the application on your Android phone, you can actually use WhatsApp fully by using the browser. So basically the web version is just a browser version. So now just navigate to a browser of your choice, for example Chrome, Opera, Firefox, anything you use. And in the search bar, type in WhatsApp web and click on the first link. Okay, so as you can see by default, guys, our browser, and it's not actually the browser, it's the website, tells us that we are unable to access the web version of WhatsApp. As you can see, you need to open it from a browser on your computer, but this is actually pretty simple to bypass. So on the top right, you click on three dots right here to bring up the menu and click on the desktop side button right here. As you can see, it will reload the website, and now we have the full functionality on the phone, and this is pretty much a page on the website just like on the PC, so just a PC version of the website and the web version, but on the phone. And now, as you can see, you can just start logging in. You can use your phone number, scan the QR code, or anything you wish. But of course, you will have to have a new phone, the second phone, to scan the QR code. So just press on login with phone number. And in here, you just insert your phone number and log in usually like you would. And then you can use the WhatsApp web on your Android phone easily like this through this method. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and I will see you in the next video.